there's a secret method where you can grind cards for each of the Berry Factory Tycoon managers, but in an event, must be quick. Sorry that my game crashed. The third time. What time? 12:42. This time it was 32 minutes instead of 41 and 43 like earlier. But let's go back to our game. The video ends once I get Winston level 6. Okay, let's go. So if you're VIP, you can do this trick, but if you're not, you can't. And the event ends tomorrow at 1 p.m. on the Eastern time zone. So we got a chest, a free chest. Free box. Same thing, but we already got Ruri. We don't need him. We got 3 cards of him out of 18 for him to be leveled up to level 6. And this is very useful for pros in Berry Factory Tycoon. So, there we go. Level up Ruri before we get Winston level 6. But we'll not level up Dave yet. Excuse me. Okay. And also there's a trick where you can double the VIP sale. You just gotta double tap if you're VIP. You also can do that. If not, you can't do that. You'll have to watch an ad. You must have VIP privileges. Then you get Ezra, which you can get 3 gems at level 1 every 4 hours. And 4 at level 2. I think it's 5 at level 3, I'm not sure. Probably. It goes up by 1 every level. Okay. That's Dave. It's 12:45 p.m. It's impossible to get Winston or Ruri for some reason. You got Alan and Esther. Esther. I don't know how to say her name, but I think it's Esther. Whatever the amount is, you select that. There, that's how you do the trick for VIP players in Berry Factory Tycoon. Finally, we got Winston.